Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want your training sessions to appear directly on your Garmin watch, you need to send or sync the workouts from your training app to Garmin Connect. Once synced, you can follow structured workouts right from your wrist. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to send workouts to Garmin in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, install Garmin Connect. So open the App Store or Google Play, search for Garmin Connect, tap download, log in or create a Garmin account. This is the main app that controls your watch. Then pair your Garmin watch. So turn on your Garmin watch, open the Garmin Connect app, tap add device, follow the pairing instructions, keep Bluetooth on during setup. Okay, now connect your training app. So open your training app, go to setting. Okay, tap connected apps, select Garmin, log into your Garmin account, allow permissions. This enables workouts to sync automatically. Okay, open Garmin Connect to confirm. You should see upcoming workouts in your calendar. Okay, so open the Garmin Connect app, pull down to sync, wait for the sync to complete. The workouts will be now on your watch. Okay, so start the workout on your watch, press the run activity, go to training or workout, select today workouts and press start. Okay, your watch will guide you step by step. So that's it guys, for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.